Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find and manage display settings on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. The first thing that we need to do is go to settings, and then in the settings you need to go to display over here. And here we have some display settings that allow you to customize some of the options like the brightness level, whether you want to have adaptive or automatic brightness or not. You can also go over here to read a little bit more about it. We can also enable the dark theme, and we can also create a schedule for the dark theme so that it switches between light and dark theme. We can also manage some colors. We can change the display size and the text, and we can also choose the refresh rate of our screen. We have some other options like the automatic rotation of the screen, edge lights, night light protection, flicker prevention. We can change the screen timeout, screensaver, and some general additional options like the screen recorder options, the gesture for 3-finger screenshot, and so on and so forth. In addition to that, if you want to, for instance, change the wallpaper on your device, then instead of display you want to go to personalize, and over here we have some additional options that might be considered as display options because they of course relate to visual size of our device. So we can change the wallpaper over here, we have theme selection, we can change the font, we can change the icon shape over here, we can change the colors, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!